Hello everybody, this is Howler of Howler's Domain and we are back on Pikmin. Now, we will go and fight the final boss in the Forest of Hope. One boss that is the most dangerous of them all. Even though the giant armored beetle shooting freaking boulders at us wasn't dangerous enough. Alright, for this one I'm just going to use blue Pikmin because, hey, why not? We got a ton of them anyway. I'm gonna use 40 of them. Oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry. Hopefully there's not many bulb in the way today. Oh, come on. We just killed 2 of them here. Why? You guys repopulate faster than dang rabbits. It's gonna be hard to get the part and everything by unless we drop it down from the edge over here. Alright. Pikmin, are you ready? Apparently you guys ain't! Alright. Cancel out right here. You guys quit being stupid. Get up there, you chickens. Now, let me go around. We need the entire group for this. My GameCube controller's still a little bit glitchy. I need a new one. Oh, shit! That's the boss. I hate that they don't have battle music on here. Oh, shit! Holy crap, there's 2 of them! I forgot! Holy shit! Die, you bastard! Get him! Get him! Get him! Holy crap! I forgot! Get his face! Ow. Get him! Come on, come on, come on. Oh, just a sliver of health left. Oh, now you have trouble getting out of the dirt. Dead. Just dead. And that was the wrong one. Okay, so we gotta fight the other one now. Bring it on, you oversized chicken! Yellow Pikmin would actually work a lot better. Why is my throwing not working now? There we go. My throwing is messing up now. Oh, dang, the button's probably getting stuck. Dang it. Come on, come on. Don't you dare mess up on me. We need this guy dead. Ow! Damn stupid chicken. Come on, get him. I'm gonna have to go get more Pikmin. Yes! Finally! This should do it. Come on, come on. Yes! And we saved the last 2 Pikmin. See? They're stuck in his mouth. Oh, wait, what? There's a 3rd chicken? What the crap? Alright, you guys carry that. We gotta get some food in. We gotta restock, and then we'll come back and fight again. This is ridiculous. Oh no. Oh no. Hello there, big bird. Die. Get away from them, you bastard. No! Quit eating them, damn it. Run, everybody, run! Run, guys, run! Get him! One lone Pikmin against the bird. Oh, he's actually doing good. Hey, 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 don't peck at me. The main body of the bird is actually not very weak. You'd have to have a ton of Pikmin just to make a dent on him that way. Alright, come on, Pikmin. We gotta get some more troops. Reinforcements! Come on, let's get more, Alright, you guys just drop that for right now. We just gotta get more troops. Get another 40 troops ought to do it. Where do we have Pikmin standing around doing nothing? Oh no. I forgot. The effect of Pikmin with the boulders. Sometimes, or no, they, darn it, what am I saying? The effect with the Pikmin, they said earlier in the logs that if they die, there's a chance they can come back. So that's them back. I actually got a few of them back for some reason, or somehow. So this is going to be interesting. I gotta go get them before we even end the day. It's probably red Pikmin. Hey, that just means more reds for us. Alright, you guys, don't be stupid. Stay on the freaking bridge. Who got left behind? What's going on? Oh, dang it, Larry. Or no, not Larry. Larry's yellow. Yes, we got everybody. Okay. Alright, chicken. Your days are numbered! Especially now since your head's having trouble getting out of the ground. Nope. Come on. And, oh, why? You were literally almost dead. And dead. Okay, you guys, you can stop hitting him. He's dead. Yes, we got it. And 15. Come on, there we go. Alright, all you guys can carry the rest of this back. 1, 1, 1. No. Darn it. 1, 1, 1. Darn it, no! Ah. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, you idiots. 1, 2, 3. Hey, look, Pikmin's teaching how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, shoot, actually, we'll get more out of the blue pellets right here. Hold up. There. 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 Okay, I guess that worked. There. No. Oh, my God. Are you stupid? Hey, hey, hey. Nope, 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 nope. No. I command you to get that blue pellet. Alright, well, we're done up here. That was the boss, everybody. That was rough. We lost a good few Pikmin on this day, but their memory shall live on. And now, thanks to them, the Dolphin is now upgraded. Dun, dun, dun. The dent is gone, and we get a... Is that a freaking whisk? One of those little mixer things? It looks like one. That's funny. My controller is glitching out really bad. I can't believe the throwing button didn't keep going. Or it got stuck. Darn it. Quit bonking your heads on the ceiling. Come here. Okay, can we just please bring out everybody so I can stop plucking? Stop. There. Alright, bunch up. And charge. Got it. Sweet. Got a ton of flowers. Flower power. I still gotta go get the dang reds over there. There's nothing really else to do around this location anyway, except gather more food before we leave. I think yellows can actually go handle some bulb orbs and take them down real quick. Alright, bunch up everybody. Charge! Get a good few more flowers out of that. Let's go. Everybody can go up. I think I'm going to take the reds that we have now and just go around with them and see if we can get some food. Wait, I forgot. Oh no. Alright, I'm going to let y'all see what happens when we leave one behind. Because in the first Pikmin here, if you leave a whole bunch of them behind, it don't count. You don't see a whole bunch of them on the end. You only see one of each color that you left behind, so that's kind of stupid, but in Pikmin 2 you actually see exactly how many of them you've left behind. It's kind of weird. There's a dwarf bulb orb. Alright, little guys, take him down! Alright, carry him back. Oh, come on, really? You guys can carry that thing. Get up there. Get up there. You gotta be fast to get past that bulb orb, because you're gonna be right in his path. Watch this. Tickle, tickle. Huh? Hey! No, my baby! That's kind of bad, I just done that. Hey, but technically, they're not even the kids of these things. The dwarf bulb orbs are actually bread bugs in disguise. It tells you a lot about that in Pikmin 2. So, technically, I'm not stealing no babies. It's a species of bread bug that's disguising itself as a dwarf bulb orb, so that way it can get protection from the bigger one. Come on. Ah, there we go. Shoop. Shoop. There we go. Yomp. Yomp. And a yomp. Alrighty, we're getting some food. Yes. Little bits and pieces, but still food. It's almost sundown. Come on, guys, hurry up. Up, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. Put the rations in the ship. Got a few extra. Not many, but a few. Oh, look, here's another one. Wait for it, wait for it. Yeah! Got it. Go, go. Hurry up, hurry up. I hate having to pluck these guys. I could just bring out a whole entire 100 of them just so I ain't gotta pluck nothing, but eh. It'd be a little bit dangerous to do that, because if I bring them out at the last counter, I think it will technically leave them behind. Either that or it'll just glitch out showing them come out, and they'll end up just getting left behind, but technically not even left behind. It'll glitch the system, kinda. You know what? I'll show y'all guys. You know, 1, I'll do it with 20 blues. If you do it with 100, I think it does take effect because they're still coming out of the ship. As soon as we zoom out, it should show it. No, never mind. Okay, I thought it would. Oh well. Maybe that was in Pikmin 2 I'm thinking of. I don't know. I'm talking a lot about Pikmin 2. I think after this series, if this series does get a lot of, yeah, that's what happens when you leave a Pikmin behind. Sorry, Frank. "8 days since impact. The Pikmin that I did not bring back to the Onion all vanished overnight. It may well be that they have fallen prey to the planet's nocturnal creatures. An ugly thought. Perhaps that is why they follow me into the atmosphere. I am starting to grasp the cycles of life on this planet." Are you really? But that's another episode, everybody. And we have a new location. The Distant Spring. Water Pikmin, or blue Pikmin, are supreme in this environment, and I love it. This one's very difficult to do though, because look at all the freaking parts we gotta get. We still got so many more to go. And the Distant Spring is a very hard location. But thank you all so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below what you thought of this episode, subscribe, join the pack, and as always everybody, have a howling good time. Oh!